Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to 2-Minute Tips. Let's get going. So what we're going to talk about in this video is MyTreeTags, which is a probably very powerful yet very underutilized tool. Now, how do you get to that? Well, if you go to the family tree for this person, most people go to their profile page. And I've told you we need to start working more out of the tree, and I'm going to show you why. So if I click here to see the tags, see the 2 tags that I have for this person, then I have to come down here and click edit, and it brings this all up. But if I would have worked with it out of my tree for the same person, we're going to do clearance, see my tree tags. I hit this drop down, I hit edit right here. Look at this. It's already got all this for me in the edit mode. And so I can add the tags, do relationship tags, life experience tags, DNA tags. I can also create my own custom tag, to name things across all of my trees. So I'm going to cancel out that tag. And you can do that all from right here. And that's a very powerful tool. You really need to use that. I'd like to see, maybe ancestry on the verified. When we click verified, maybe highlight, that lineage so that we can show other people, in our trees that say, hey, this has been verified. This is DNA verified. So you can have multiple spouses or no children, never married, a lot of relationships, life experience tags. He had military service. I click that and add that. So, this is a very powerful tool and allows you later to be able to search on those specific tags. But I recommend that you do it out of your tree, and edit right out of your tree, the MyTreeTags. See here, it didn't have the MyTreeTags, okay? So you can add a tag by clicking the drop-down box over here on the right, and it'll still bring up the tree tags. So if this person doesn't have tree tags already, you'll actually have to click this drop-down and add tag. Or if they already have 2 tags, they'll be here, and then you can just click edit them. Either one of them will bring them up on the right for you to be able to edit them. Hope you enjoyed this 2-minute tip. Find it useful.